Every relationship starts beautifully full of laughter, care, and hope for forever. But love isn't just a feeling. It's something you have to protect every day. Most relationships don't end with one big fight, they fade slowly. A harsh word here, a bit of silence there. And over time, the connection weakens. Love doesn't die all at once. It fades when both people stop trying. So today, let's talk about the small behaviors that slowly destroy what once felt unbreakable. Number 1. Constant criticism. Love cannot grow where judgment lives. When one partner constantly points out what's wrong, the mistakes, the flaws, the imperfections, the other begins to feel small. Criticism doesn't help, it hurts. It tells your partner they're not good enough, no matter what they do. Over time, constant criticism replaces warmth with tension. Conversations turn into defense, and smiles turn into silence. What once was love starts to feel like pressure. Healthy relationships need understanding, not correction. Encouragement builds people up, but criticism tears them down. The truth is, nobody changes through humiliation. They change when they feel supported, loved, and seen. Number 2. Lack of communication. When communication dies, connection dies too. At first, silence feels harmless, fewer arguments, less noise. But slowly it turns into distance. Two people share a house but not their hearts. Love needs open conversation. It's not about talking all the time, but about being honest. When emotions stay bottled up, misunderstandings grow bigger. When words are left unsaid, assumptions take their place. Silence can be louder than shouting. Sometimes the most painful thing isn't a fight. It's when you realize there's nothing left to say. Number 3. Taking each other for granted. Love fades not because it disappears, but because it's forgotten. When we stop saying, "Thank you," stop showing gratitude, and stop noticing the effort of the person we love, the relationship begins to dry up. At the beginning, we appreciate every small thing, a text, a smile, a hug. But over time, we start expecting it all. That's when love becomes routine. When someone feels unseen, they begin to pull away, quietly. People don't want perfection, they want to feel valued. The moment appreciation dies, love begins to fade. Number 4. Dishonesty. Trust is the heart of every relationship. Once broken, it rarely feels the same again. Dishonesty, even small lies, slowly destroys that trust. It creates doubt, and doubt is the enemy of peace. Lies don't just hide the truth, they erase safety. When one person keeps secrets, the other begins to feel anxious and suspicious. Over time, even innocent moments feel wrong, because trust is already gone. Honesty might cause pain in the moment, but dishonesty causes pain that never ends. Real love can survive mistakes, but it cannot survive lies. Number 5. Jealousy and control. Love is not about possession. It's not about watching every move or asking where they are every hour. When love becomes control, it turns into fear. Jealousy kills peace. It turns love into anxiety. It creates a cage where trust should be. The more you try to control someone, the more they want to escape. True love allows freedom. It's not about owning someone, it's about trusting them enough to stay. When trust disappears, even the happiest relationship begins to feel like prison. Number 6. Lack of effort. Love dies slowly when effort stops. Relationships need care every day, small acts, simple words, and moments of attention. When one person stops trying, everything changes. Messages become shorter, calls become rare, and time together becomes less important. Love doesn't end suddenly. It fades through neglect. The truth is, love cannot survive without effort. It's not about doing big things. It's about showing up even in small ways. The moment we stop trying, we start losing the person we love. Number 7. Disrespect. Disrespect is the slowest form of destruction. It doesn't always come as shouting, sometimes it's ignoring, mocking, or speaking without care. But every time it happens, it cuts a little deeper. Respect is not just about manners. It's about showing that your partner matters. It's about listening, even when you disagree. Without respect, love becomes painful. Once you stop respecting someone, affection dies with it. A relationship without respect is like a body without a soul. It exists, but it doesn't live. Number 8, lack of forgiveness. Every relationship will face hurt. Every love story will face mistakes. But forgiveness is what allows two people to move forward. Without it, the past becomes a shadow that never leaves. Forgiveness doesn't mean forgetting, it means choosing peace over pain. It means saying, I still care enough to try again. When two people refuse to forgive, they end up fighting the same battle forever. Love only survives where mercy exists. Without forgiveness, love becomes just memory. Every relationship has challenges: silence, distance, and pain. But love survives when two people keep trying. Real love isn't perfect. It's patient. It's the choice to stay, to forgive, and to keep building, even when it's hard.